Welcome to Top Cars Review.
Getting a trail-rated badge is far from just a marketing attempt to win sales. Jeep only awards the badge to bona fide off-road Jeeps capable of tackling a hardcore off-road course that would send most SUVs packing. The all-new 2018 Jeep Compass not only brings the brand massively forward from the last one, which scored a sub-5/10 rating from CarAdvice, it comes with the coveted trail-rated badge in Trailhawk trim. Ahead of its arrival in Australia, we flew to Los Angeles to see how the 2018 Jeep Compass Trailhawk stacks up against some tragic LA traffic and a bit of off-road driving. The Jeep Compass range kicks off in Australia from $28,850, plus on-road costs, moving all the way through to the top-specification Trailhawk model tested here from $44,750, plus on-road costs. It's worth noting that while the Compass Trailhawk we tested in the USA features a naturally aspirated 2.4-liter 4-cylinder petrol engine with a 9-speed automatic gearbox, the Australian version of the Compass Trailhawk will get a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder diesel mated to a 9-speed automatic gearbox. When we grabbed the keys for our Compass Trailhawk, the CarAdvice orange color really hit us for six. It looks amazing in person, and the addition of red tow hooks and off-road tires massively increases its street appeal. Trailhawk models pick up 17-inch wheels, Falcon off-road focused tires, black detailing instead of chrome, signature red tow hooks, a raft of sill plates and underbody bash plates to protect the vital organs off-road, and a revised front lower bar section that delivers a much more practical approach angle.